Alright, gang. This, I guess, is kind of an unboxing. I bought a $150 aluminum radiator. This is for a Chevy Camaro Pontiac Firebird. What was it, 82 to 92? And as you can see, it barely fits in there. This is the original bumper for the Mercedes that I really should have put bolts in. But yeah, this is what it looks like, all wrapped up in the plastic. Coming back over here, this is the box you get. This is the Amazon 150. Comes with fans, the wiring's inside there. Let's take a look. Okay. Okay, looks like we've got a metal relay. We've got a, hey, we got a temp switch, some kind of adapter bushing, and a dang wiring harness. Let's take a look here. Holy crap. See, we got a relay in there. I straight up tell you, I think I only paid like $150, $155 for that radiator setup. But yeah, radiator here. Maybe we can get our transmission cooler in this little opening right there. And then everything will fit in the front end of the Mercedes. Then even if we have to, because I would really like to have AC in this car, we could put a condenser in between this bumper and this radiator. Fingers crossed. I am very surprised at the fit.